Hi, brother. Good morning.
Hi, good morning. How are you?
Yeah, I'm fine. Thank you for asking me. What about you, brother?
Yeah, I'm also fine.
Okay, that's great. You look like young and fresh. That's great.
Yeah,
So, brother, could
young, but my beard is very long and my hair is very long because I'm not
no,
doing
no.
a shave. Yeah,
Okay, no, no. You look like handsome. Don't worry. Don't say that like
both
I'm
matter.
weird. It's fantastic. You're looking is great, handsome. So,
Yeah,
bro, could you tell me like where are you calling from and what do you do? What's your profession?
yeah. My name is
Yeah.
Anush Gajipie and I'm
Mhm.
from Maharashtra, from Nagpur
Okay.
district. But I'm not living in Nagpur district. I'm living in Umred Vired. It's a tehsil and it's
Okay.
47 kilometer from Nagpur district. And
Okay.
I'm a student. I'm recently completed my 12th, and I want
Okay.
to do law now.
Okay. That's great. Uh-huh.
And what about you?
Yeah, actually, brothers, thank you very much for giving me, like my introduction. I mean, for
Yeah,
opportunity for talk with you front of you. So I'm going to tell my introduction. Like, my name is Samir, and even I'm also living in Maharashtra. I'm living in Mumbai. Maybe you know
really?
that Mumbai. Yeah,
Yeah, I know. I
brothers.
love city. I love that city, and I am. And my dream, I want to go Mumbai city.
Yeah, that's great. You are living in nearest brother, like in Nagpur to 40 kilometers. So it's
Yeah,
not so
it's
far. Okay,
not so far.
you can
In my
come anywhere, anytime. Yeah,
uh,
tell me.
from my village, 810 kilometer, Mumbai. I think
Okay. I
distance.
think
Yeah,
like maybe if you catch a train, then you will reach in Mumbai like next day. Am I right?
yeah. Next day, I think it's
Okay.
20, 18 and 20 hours.
Okay, 18 and 20
To
hours.
go
Okay.
from local train.
Okay, from local train. Okay, okay, that's great. So, bro, like I'm living in Mumbai. Then after that, I passed out my graduation in 2017. Like I was commerce student. I done my BCom degree.
Yeah,
Then after that,
I'm a commerce student.
okay, you also commerce student. Oh my God.
Yeah,
So what's done in like in commerce? What did you done? Like BCom, BBI, or what?
yeah. Only for 12th completed.
Okay, 12 completed, and you're planning to become a lawyer, LLB.
Yeah,
Okay.
yeah,
Yeah, that's great. I hope so. You will be achieve become a lawyer, and you should take a good college, take a good admission in from college, some
yeah.
college, apply. Definitely you will get. Okay, don't worry. And brother, I passed out 2017. Then after that, I took a diploma course, aviation and hospitality. And maybe that hotel sector and airline sector like that. So I'm preparing my interview, and we can say like that's why reason I'm also learning English language. It's very important for my job, for my career. It's
Yeah,
very important, and not like everywhere is important in English language. We can say, am I right?
yeah,
Because
yeah.
nowadays, like if you go to anywhere for attend any kind of interview for multinational, just like we can say bank job, everywhere first thing a interviewer ask about, they will check your communication, they will check your English language.
Yeah,
Because
yeah.
we done, yeah, we done our graduation, then after that we done, I mean, we take a study, we are going to do a
Yeah.
study, so obviously English is very important our life. So that's
It's
why reason
international.
people are learning day by day, people are improving. And not now, in future time, definitely English will help for our career, our job. It's, I'll guarantee,
Yeah,
100% it's working, 100% it's requirement in future time. Not now. Some people think about like I'm speaking a Hindi and native language, so I will manage my job, my career. No, this is totally wrong, because in future time English is requirement
yeah.
everywhere.
You're
If you
absolutely right.
even, yeah, if you go to abroad like any western country, over there
Yeah,
also like requirement IELTS exam, you have to before go you have to crack exam, IELTS exam. It's very important because western country always they speak English language over their English environment, English culture is going on. So that's why reason we have to learn. That's why they are taking an exam, like he and she able to talk in front of people, able to talk in culture. They take an exam, IELTS and some kind of. If
Yeah.
you want to settle in abroad, like Western country, English country, we can say.
Yeah.
Okay. And day by day I'm also improving, brother. I'm talking with stranger people every day, and every day I make a video talk about culture, job, career, etc. So I'm enjoying learning.
Yeah.
I'm like I satisfy. Some people think about like English is very tough job, English is very like complicated for us, but this is not true. If you make a habit, automatically English will be easily. You
Yeah.
can learn something about something new if you make an interest. So brother, without interest we can't learn. It's very
Yeah.
important. Yeah.
Yeah. You are
So bro,
absolutely right. Sir, can I
uh,
ask you one question?
yeah, of course you can,
So
brother, tell me.
you upload a video on YouTube channel. How to after long time remember a vocabulary? You know.
Yeah, this is very tough question, brother, seriously, but I'm going to answer
So
you. Like, see, always I practice myself, always I talk with myself, and those things, like, for example, right now I'm speaking with you.
yeah.
After conversation, I will recover like was topic, what was person, like I talk with him. Always I
Yeah.
remember, and this thing, brother, I repeat again and again and again.
Okay.
So you can say like that's the reason I'm remembering a vocabulary and
Good.
story and grammar part like that.
Yeah, and I watch that video, and after that I'm follow your rules. Yeah, and I
Okay.
think and recently watch your video. I think before sorry, yesterday day before, I think. Yeah.
Uh-huh.
Yeah, good. And you upload a video, so this is very helpful for beginners. Yeah, I think you are doing a very good job. Means not a job, means you are doing a social work, I think.
Thank you
Yeah,
very
good.
much, brother. See, bro, I'm also beginner. I don't have a more command for English language, but I can make a simple way. Always I speaking simple, like people understand easily my voice, my story, what I'm
Yeah, yeah,
talking about. So
yeah,
that's why reason, brother, like every day I'm making a video trying to upload something new and very easy, simple language, very easy vocabulary like that.
yeah,
Because I'm learning. If you talk about like Samir, can you tell me some fancy vocabulary, some like unique
yeah,
vocabulary? I couldn't speak in front of you because I didn't practice. So day by day I'm learning, like if I see any kind of new word, new vocabulary, then I try to learn what is that, what is the meaning, what is the definition, and this word, this vocabulary, try to use my daily routine a whole day. So we can also improve together, we can also share in front of people. I made a lots of group. Sometime if I free, then I go with this thing, like I try to connect with stranger people, talk about like any story, any vocabulary, any grammar part, anything. So we can just practice together, we can make an improvement. If you practice, if you talk with stranger people day by day, definitely English will be easy for ourselves. We can
yeah.
talk without repetition.
And
So we
thank
can learn.
you,
Yeah.
and thank you. I'm send you a message, and you receive, and you call me. Yeah, you talk with me. Thank you for this.
Yeah. No problem,
Yeah,
brother. See, like always, I'm
and I want,
helping for stranger. Yeah.
and I want to talk commonly. Means how many person in your family? Like, tell me about your family.
Yeah. Okay. This is a nice question, brother. So I'm going
Uh,
to tell my family background. Like, we are three brothers. Okay. My
yeah,
elder, my younger, and I'm middle one. And my father, he's doing business. Okay. And business means like my father, he's doing door and glass cutting like that. So this kind of business my father he's
door.
doing, like mirror
Yeah,
you know
yeah, mirror. Yeah,
so this kind of my father is doing business, and my mother, she's a homemaker. We are
yeah,
small family, brother. We are small family. Okay.
yeah,
And my elder brother, he also supporting my father, and my younger brother, he's thinking about start a new business. And I'm if you talk about myself, I want to do something myself, like I want to go abroad. So that's the reason I'm preparing my interview. And if I get a job in here, then I will take a like 1 and 2 year experience. Then I will move on in abroad, like Singapore, Gulf country. Because brother, before lockdown, I given a lots of interview. I done my job also. 1 year I done in hospitality sector. So I was thinking like just take experience, just go to abroad. Let's see like what is a culture, what is I mean what kind of people over there, how to make a career. You know, you can save your money, you can make a good life if you go to abroad. So this is my aim, brother. One day definitely I will be this country, Gulf and Singapore. Already I choose, I prefer. So one day definitely I will go and make a good career over there. Then again I come back in India, about India. Then start to some business, like small business, because always we think about like one day definitely we can, we will do a start a business, because no one do a job permanently. Am I right?
Yeah, yeah, yeah. Business is a very
Yeah.
good for people. Means nowadays government means I'm talking about private job. It's a very difficult getting
Yes,
job.
yes.
That's why, and business is a very means it's ourself means is business is a depend on ourselves means
Yes,
uh,
brother. Like
we are whatever.
we,
Yeah,
yeah, we can give a effort 100%. Then after that, like definitely result will positive,
yeah,
and we can give a perfect time, and no pressure, no tension. Depend on situation, depend on person, like how do you running a business. Over there we
yeah,
can totally free, without tension, without fearness, we can do easily. And we can extend our, like business. And we can start a, like a business about in the market, about, like abroad country, anywhere. So
yeah.
it's
That's why
very
I'm choose
important.
this field. Like, that's why I'm choose this field means like a LLB. It's not I'm not looking for this like a business, but I think
Mm,
LLB is means like a lawyer means I'm not a depend on our other person. This is a depend on myself means if my
okay.
wish I'm doing, another not doing, another I'm not doing this work. Yeah, it's like a
Yeah,
business, not a, yeah, good.
yeah, that's
I think
great thing. Your thinking
yeah,
is fantastic, brother. And I hope so you will achieve. You will become a good lawyer, and you want to make a good career in become a lawyer, brother. Then you have to come in Mumbai,
yeah. Thank you.
because
Yeah, and I want to go Mumbai. My relative is not a live there, and that's why I'm not a come. When
Mhm.
I'm become a means when I'm become good career in my life, so I'm absolutely come in your village, in your city.
Yeah, of course, brother, welcome in here. Okay, first thing, like think about like your education, take a graduation, just complete education. Then after
Yeah.
that, come to in Mumbai and join any college, LLB college, because lots of college are available in here. So
No,
you will get
brother,
a job.
I
Mhm.
want to do I want to do now. Means I'm not doing after graduation law. I want
Okay,
to
okay,
do after 12th. Means now
okay,
I'm doing. I have to do law. Yeah, after 12. It's a 5 years course.
okay, okay. No problem. This is also great thing.
Yeah,
Like
1 year
if you take at,
savings.
uh go ahead.
1 year save in this course because if you're doing a graduation after that you do law, so it's a 6 year one. And if
Okay.
you're doing directly admission after 12th, so it's only
Mhm.
for 5 years. In 5 years and 2 degrees
Mhm.
at gate. If you
Yes, yes.
do this, yeah, I want to do BCom LLB because I'm a
Okay.
commerce student. Yeah,
Yeah,
and
no
yeah.
problem.
What is your favorite subject in commerce field?
Yeah. My favorite subject is, brother, like always I love to math, because I remember
Account.
that. Yeah,
Account.
account like after 12th
Okay.
I love to account, but if you talk about 10th class, I love to math. I got a, like out of 50, I got around 120 marks in that moment in 2014, and I think 14 I pass out. Okay, yeah, I'm not sure about 14 and 13. So over there, based of 5 subjects, so my higher subject like in math, I got a high
Math.
percentage. Yeah, in
I
math.
don't like math in 10th standard,
Okay.
but after 10th I'm completed. I love account. I'm very fan of account.
Okay, that's great.
Yeah.
So, bro, I hope so. You will achieve something in your life. Okay, so all the best, your career, your future. So keep going, keep practice, keep study. Okay, definitely
Yeah.
you will achieve your goal. Okay, always believe yourself and always fight with your career. Like I can do it. Okay,
Yeah.
don't think
Nice.
about negative. Yeah, and see you soon, brother. We will meet earlier and next time. So
Yeah.
thank you very much for connecting with me. Okay,
Thank you
thank you
very
very much.
much. I am talking. Thank you very much. You connected with me. Thank you, sir.
Yeah, yeah. Bye
Bye.
bye. Have a nice day, brother.